how to add a loyalty program in Shopify. To do this, we have to go to the App Store first, and to do this, we have to go to the bottom left here to the settings right next to the gear icon. And from here, I'm going to click on Apps and Sales Channels, and I'm going to click up here Shopify App Store. And once we're in that, we can type in Smile Loyalty, and you should be looking for this app right here because it has a very good rating, and I recommend using that one. Just click on that, and for me it says open because I have it already installed, but for you it will say install. And as it says here, you can create your own loyalty and rewards program to turn first-time customers into forever customers. This is also good for when you want to create referrals and VIP rewards for your customers to increase the sales. And there's no coding required, as it says. So once you follow the instructions and install the app, you can start using it. And here we can see a demo version of what your store can look like with it. Here are the gift codes and all the other programs. And that's it. That's how you add a loyalty program to Shopify. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.